Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video I want to show you battery tester. Here you can see that there is battery tester buy from daraz.pk. Now let's open it. There is lithium-ion battery cells, 18650 battery cells. Now let's test it. There is positive side and there is negative side. Here you can see that volt of this battery. There is another battery. Here you can see that battery voltage. There is another battery. Dear friend, this battery has no volt. Here you can see that. Now let's test hybrid battery. Dear friend, here you can see the voltage of this battery. Here you can see the back side of this battery tester. Now friends, let's open it and I will show you internal structure of this battery tester. Here you can see the internal structure of this battery tester. So friends, that's all about from this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe. Also press bell icon for my next project notification. Have a great day.